As I told you already, nobody's perfect from the beginning. It is the point. This is the very matter of the essence. I tell you once again, nobody's perfect from the beginning. Hence, now you need something upon the stage for you to go back to the beginning of the beginning. I'd like to recall those days in your childhood. It goes without saying there. When you were a child, you try to do better again and again after making a mistake. In your childhood, experience is really the mother of learning. You had been developed by inches through experiencing so many things. Intrinsically speaking, you're privileged to experience making mistakes. This should be applied to the development of society. No society is perfect from the beginning, especially in the adolescence of chaotic society. People experience making mistakes again and again. Through experiencing those processes to develop the mechanism of society. The society is defined day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year, and of course, decade by decade. Human beings are guided to value the importance of adolescence of the society. It doesn't matter now the society is chaotic or not. It matters. Those who live in the society need to have cognition of the importance of adolescence, society, experiences. You need to denounce perfidious mentality. What you need should be treated as the one. The one should be pneuma. If you have pneuma, which is not poisoned, you should be shining individually. Based upon possession of pneuma, shining, you have brighter future. That's the thing I'd like you to philosophize now. The lecture shall be finished now.